Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market for you. Today, we're diving into the world of frozen meals, but not just any frozen meals. We're talking about the best frozen meals for pregnancy. Introducing the Jenny Craig 14-count Entrée Kit Menu 2, a frozen meal kit designed to make living better, delicious, nutritious, and convenient, especially for expecting mothers. This meal kit includes 14 full entrees, carefully crafted with high-quality ingredients to support a happier, healthier lifestyle during pregnancy. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. From broccoli and cheese stuffed potato to chicken street tacos, and from fish and chips to orange chicken, this kit offers a wide variety of flavorful options to satisfy your cravings. Each meal is prepared and frozen, ready to heat and enjoy whenever you need a quick and nutritious option. No shopping, chopping, or cooking required, just convenient, delicious meals at your fingertips. But what sets these meals apart as the best option for pregnancy? Not only are they tasty and easy to prepare, but they're also designed with your health and wellness in mind. Jenny Craig is committed to providing meals made with premium ingredients, ensuring that you and your baby get the nutrition you need during this important time. So, if you're looking for the best frozen meals for pregnancy, look no further than the Jenny Craig 14-count Entrée Kit Menu 2. With delicious options, convenient preparation, and a focus on health and wellness, it's the perfect choice for moms-to-be. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.